Right here now is a 75-inch full-screen LCD digital signage. Let's have a check the main functions of it and get a quick start on it. First of all, let's get the remote controller working with the batteries. So the first application up to it. So this is the application store. We can install some other applications with this application store. And the next is the auto start settings. We can set with other application boot up automatically when power on. And the third one, this is the main function application of this digital signage. We can put our pictures, videos into a USB flash disk, then plug into the digital signage. This application will display out automatically with those pictures or videos. And this one is a timer switch. We can set with the boot up time and shutdown time. And the signage and this signage keys will turn on or turn off automatically with the time settings here. Right now, all my pictures and videos are in this USB flash disk. With plugged into this digital signage, this autoplay application will display them all out on screen automatically. Now let's get back to the settings of the autoplay application. Here general settings. General settings, the first is play model settings. The default setting is plug and play model. It plays the media contents from your USB disk directly. And the second is copy model. You should set up a file folder named autoplay file, the autoplay file folder on your USB disk, and put your media contents into this file folder, and then plug into the digital signage. It will copy this file folder, this autoplay file folder, into the internal memory, and then display the media contents from the internal memory. After that, you can plug out your USB disk. And this one, copy model settings, is for the media contents file update settings. We can set with only add new files or clear up all and then make a copy. And the third one is subtitle settings and image transition time settings and scale model. So the default is auto scaling, and we can also set with force full screen. So your pictures or videos will display out with full screen. And this auto start settings is for this autoplay application settings. Play order, default is ascending order. We can also set with descending order and a random order. Then get exit to the first page. And here, screen direction and vertical screen model. In this vertical screen model, we can choose a split screen setting. So the default setting is full screen display. And we can also set with others like this one, picture on top and picture on the bottom. And picture on the top, video on the bottom, or video in the middle and pictures on the top and bottom. And set one like this, 3 pictures, split screen with 3 landscape pictures, and then click submit. By the way, we could also provide content management system. It's a cloud-based system. You can send your media contents to this digital signage screen at anywhere through the network. If you have any technical inquiries, welcome to contact our support. We will always provide the best solution for you.